Yoke Sana Utandega has done it again. Guys, what is going on with Tandega? Italians, you need to be honest when it comes to Tandega, guys. Last week people were complaining. Today she's repeating the same thing. After Smash exposed her, she doesn't care, guys. And it's the same time. Last week, this time, she was watching her face in a sink full of dishes. Today she's repeating the same thing. Some people are asking themselves, it is the strategy. What is going on? You want a trend? What is going on with Tandega, guys? Oh, Big Brand need to do something about this, guys. You're gonna get other kids sick. No way, guys. I know you guys love Tandega. Everything with Tandega she does, it's okay. But whenever Uliema does something, you're gonna call out Uliema, guys. We need to be honest when it comes to Tandega. Or Big Brand need to address Tandega, or give her maybe a warning to say, Tandega, respect other housemates. It shows also Tandega she doesn't care about other housemates, guys. I've never seen Uliema, Udidi, or Ileana doing what Tandega she's doing. She's gonna call herself to say, oh fine, I'm older than you guys, you need to respect me. No way, guys. Tandega she's doing too much. And people are saying, no, we need to call Big Brother to talk to Tandega. We are tired of Tandega behaving. Yes, she does has a strong faith base, but we need to be honest when it comes to Tandega. So anyway, guys, Tandega she's currently trending, guys, doing the same things 10 times. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.